How can graduates start their investment journey? Financial experts Mr. Srinivasavardhan, Mr. Ramalingam will enlighten you now.
So for the getting investment into mutual funds and kind of stock market, there is a KYC procedures. We need to comply all these KYC procedures with the necessary documents such as PAN card and address proof. All that there must be a bank account with all the check facility, even if it is along with the online options facility, that would be fine. And for the recent graduate and beginners, it is advisable to go with advisors to get some to facilitate all your procedures. That will be very easy to get into these investments.
As a beginner, first thing do you have any dependents? You check up if someone who's financially dependent, then in that case you have to go for term insurance. If you have company product health insurance, then fine. Or you have to go for an additional health insurance at this point in time. Number 3, create an emergency reserve. Number 4, avoid taking any loans at this point in time, which is not necessary. Right? People who till buying something on EMI or not having any loan, you are working for yourself. The moment you buy something on EMI or get a loan, you are starting to work for your lender. So please avoid that. Work on creating, appreciating assets like mutual funds, kind of things. Right? Create an emergency reserve and then invest in long-term investments. You can do it.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.